has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Crockett County in western Tennessee, Henderson County in western Tennessee, southeastern Gibson County in western Tennessee, northern Fayette County in western Tennessee, northern Hardin County in western Tennessee, southern Benton County in western Tennessee, Carroll County in western Tennessee, southern Haywood County in western Tennessee, Madison County in western Tennessee, Chester County in western Tennessee, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Huntington to near Adair to 6 miles northeast of Arlington, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Jackson, Brownsville, Humboldt, Milan, Lexington, Henderson, Bolivar, Huntington, Camden, Natchez Trace State Park, Chickasaw State Park, Natchez Trace State Forest, Chickasaw State Forest, Fairview, Whiteville, Three-Way, Brewston, Atwood, Sillerton, and Massaville. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows,